Hi guys, today in this video we are going to talking about how to check AT&T internet service is available in your address or not. Okay, so the best way to check they are providing you any service in your area or not, you need to call on this number. Okay, and once you call on this number you can see on your screen. Once you call on this number, once you get connected, you need to ask is AT&T internet connection is available in your area or not. They will guide you. If by chance number is not available, maybe some due to some reasons, maybe due to busy line issue, if your number is not available, in that case what you can do, you need to visit on any search browser, and once you type on any search browser like AT&T fiber available at my address, and once you get the results, you need to check on this one option like check internet connection availability of your address. And once you visit on this page, you will see in the bottom side, you will see in these, you can say, states, you will see internet connection is available. Okay, like I'm going to select Alabama. Okay, Alabama, and once I select Alabama, you will see there are lots of options available like A for Alabama, and there are lots of cities available. You can choose anyone, and once you select any city, you will see they are providing you services and all. You can get each and every information on their website. So this is the method by which you can check AT&T internet is available in your area or not. Okay, so this is the information, and if you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.